Freestyling, man.
Hi guys, we are Kiku Cafe. I don't know if you've heard of us before, but we've been with AnimeCon since it started pretty much, and we've been there every year. I mean, well, every single one. Sometimes it's like 2 a year. But, who's heard of us before? No one? Yeah, cool. Hey guys. So we have amazing butlers. We are located diagonally from the stage where I am pointing at. And after our show, we are available for reservations. Our rates are on the table.
Nice. We're doing awesome.
Oh, and by the way, I am Hikaru, and
I'm Ichiro.
and we are pretty much the founders of Cafe, Kiku Cafe. And I guess we can go introduce all our lovely mates and butlers. Well, some of them at least. Would you want to get up on the stage, guys?
Everyone on the stage. Wait, recognitions, all of you.
Okay, we have our lovely Eddie and Mommy. We got Neko, we got Cece, Chris, Usagi, and Sakura. Say hi, guys. And we'll be doing a little performance for you guys.
Oh, we can't forget, we also have some for our baseballers right behind you as well. They're going to be helping with the media. Thanks so much, guys.
So, I guess we can get the show started. Yeah? Alright, great.